One thing you should look for if your laser head is skipping and your runs are coming out a little bit off is you want to check the teeth on these belts here. And notice that you have one here. It's kind of like the teeth that you would see on a timing belt. And they have a gear that this motor drives, and then you have another gear here that's kind of like freewheeling, but it's driven by that motor. And you want to check it out. Now on the back of that laser head, you see there's a clamp. So that clamp holds the belt. It not only holds this side of the belt, but also holds this side of the belt. So if you need to replace the belt because it's missing teeth, I'm going to provide a link where you can get it. But what you would need to do is remove these screws here and the ones on the other side here as well, so you can access it. Same thing goes for the belt on the bottom. You want to inspect these teeth, and what you want to do when you inspect the teeth, when you replace it, you would, if you look down there, you see the belt is being held by a clamp that has a screw on it. So to access it, you would need to remove this bed here, this metal bed. So it is something that can be done, and the belt itself is a cheap material. As far as what it will cost you, you would just have to go through the labor of doing it, which is not hard at all. What I do recommend is that, of course, you power down the machine and unplug it before you do that, but it's a simple fix. If you look at your belts and you inspect them and you see that it's missing teeth, that means it's going to be skipping on these gears, and that can affect the way that the machine is performing when it's doing a laser run. So something to look at. And I want to give a shout out to Brian at Wholesale Gadget Parts, because he mentioned that to me and told me about where you can get it. And folks, if you're looking for a blue laser machine, I would strongly recommend that you go into purchasing it from Brian at Wholesale Gadget Parts if you're in the USA. If you're outside of the USA, you can buy it at AliExpress. But if you're in the USA, not only does Brian provide them for you, but he gives you like really thumbs up service after the sale. It's not like a sale and you'll never get any support. He gives you, like, I would say 110% service. So look up Brian at Wholesale Gadget Parts, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.